Okay, so we just left the hotel. We are heading to the airport, leaving Boston to head to Iceland. I met up with Asia and Jay. Hey! Y'all. Iceland, here we come.
We were all so happy that day. It's actually hard to even imagine how terrible things would soon become.
So my flight left from Atlanta at like 7 a.m. And I just got to Boston. It's like almost 9:30. And I'm gonna work here for the day. So I don't have to take PTO today.
At this station, available on flight.
Before I was so rudely interrupted, I was saying that I'm gonna find some restaurants and cafes to work at during the day. Then my flight to Iceland was supposed to be that night around 7 p.m. But as you'll see, the universe had other plans for me. I just dropped my bags off at a hotel using this app called Stasher. They let you hold your bags. I think it was like 15 bucks for 2 bags for a few hours. My friend, she recommended this bakery called, I think it's called Tat or Tot. I'm not sure. Something like that. Walking there now. It's really cold here. Hi, good. How are you? Good. Oh, over there? Okay. Only for this? Which is better, do you think? The ham and cheese croissant or the breakfast sandwich? Yeah, you like that better? I'll do that then. Yeah. Yes, please. Thank you. Is it hot? Can you warm it up?
No.
Oh, you can't warm it up? Oh, okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. I just left this place, Tate. It was okay. They didn't have the 2 lattes that I wanted, so that was kind of disappointing. And then I saw this croissant that looked really good, but she said it was good too. But then she already picked it up and put it on my plate. And then I asked her to warm it up, and she said she couldn't. So that was a little disappointing also, because then I would have got something else, but that's fine. I found this place, Savar. And they do espresso martini flights, so I'm gonna try that. Let's see. Hi, how are you? Good. After finishing up work, I decided to try their espresso martini flight. You can pause to read what was in them, but I only drank the classic dark espresso martini. The other 2 were just way too sweet. After that, I headed back to the hotel to grab my luggage and meet up with my new friends, Jay and Asia. Okay, so we just left the hotel. We are heading to the airport, leaving Boston to head to Iceland. Sorry. I'm laughing so I don't cry. When I went to check in, they basically told me I cannot get on this flight because my passport is within 3 months of expiration, so they wouldn't allow me on the flight. Mind you, my passport is not expired. It does not expire until June, like 16th or something like that. And today is March 28th, okay? They ended up booking me on the flight for the next day, so tonight. However, before I could even do all that, I had to do like an expedited passport renewal. Mind you, I don't live in Boston. I don't know anybody in Boston. I don't know anything about this place. So I just started making some calls. We found the passport agency. That was a whole thing in itself. I initially called and she was like, what's your date of travel? And I was like, March 27th. And because it was like 5, 6 p.m. at that time, she was like, the lady on the phone, let me not say that. A real bad itch. Okay. She was like, the only open appointment today closest to you is in Honolulu. That is 5,530 something miles. I said, Honolulu, Hawaii? I said, girl, I'm in Boston. Like, she was like, well, based on the travel information that you gave me, the travel date of today, this is all I can do for you. I was like, well, I mean, I can't get on today. Like, I'm gonna have to get on tomorrow at this point because of the time. And she said, well, you have already confirmed that your travel day is March 27th. I said, girl, like, I can't go to Hawaii right now. I'm in Boston. Like, what you want me to do? Even if I were to fly to Hawaii right then and there, like, I'm not gonna get there in time. What the hell? So she was like, let me transfer you to someone else that can assist. I said, please do, because at this point, you're not even trying to help me. Like she was not trying to help me at all. Anywho, so I finally get in touch with somebody else. They were able to get me an appointment the next morning at 8:30 a.m. with the passport agency. I had to go to Walgreens and find someone to take a passport photo of me. The photo center at Walgreens was already closed at this point. I had to convince the girl, thank God, I don't remember your name, but if you watching this, I appreciate you, thank you. She allowed us to go ahead and take our pictures and print it out for us. So we did that. Then we had to go and find somebody to assist us with printing out all of these freaking literally, they wanted a print of the email of confirmation. They wanted a print of your itinerary, your future itinerary. They wanted a print of your renewal application and the instructions. I had to print so much paper. I don't remember the last time I printed all this paper. Like, we're in the 21st century. They were like, nope, sorry, it can't be on the phone. Everything has to be printed out. So we had to go do that. Then had to find a hotel to stay in. When I tell y'all, drive me crazy. So this morning, woke up in time, got to the passport place at the embassy, and I don't know if it's the embassy, the passport agency, I don't know what it is, but we were able to make our appointment in time this morning, got all my applications filled out, and yeah, so I have to go back this evening around 3 p.m. to pick up my new passport, and then my flight to Iceland should be tonight at 7:20 p.m. Yeah, so if you are traveling internationally anytime soon, please double check your passport expiration day and yeah, make sure it's not within 3 months of expiration or you ain't going nowhere, baby. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Okay, we are legit now. So we are here finally at the airport in Boston after that treacherous mission we had to go on yesterday and this morning, but we're here, we're in the gate, about to board the flight. It's Icelandia. See y'all there. I'm finally about to board after a very long 24 hours, but we here. Hey, Jay.
What up, though? About to eat some Icelandic breakfast.
Alright, we just got to the airport here in Iceland, and we're about to grab breakfast while we wait for our friend to pick us up. You heard that, Jay? That's the gym right there. It's the crew! The Black House! this is our wrong finger. This is our Airbnb. It's about 30-45 minutes, a little bit north of Reykjavik, but it's beautiful. Like, the whole property is gorgeous. This is it, the farmhouse. When you walk in, have a staircase to your right. And we have a restroom here. And then we have a little mini living room. Asia, Jay. Got a first bedroom down here. Right, so here on this main level is another little family room. We have the kitchen, got the dining room, and it goes back into the family room. Another bathroom up here. We have a bedroom here, and then another bedroom here. That's David. And yeah, it's tour the spot. Look at the farmhouse, y'all. We just made it to the geyser. It is snowing like a right now. Okay.
Oh, you can smell it. The sulfur.
Does it smell good?
It smells like eggs because the sulfur is what makes the earth hot.
There is. It went in my mouth.
The fuck is that? Shit!
I'm afraid to talk.
Well, you're safe. You're fine. It's just the sulfur.
Okay. I don't know how much I touch you. If I start feeling some kind of way in a week or two.
Like we're going into Chernobyl.
Yes. Oh, it's over there. Kind of see something.
Did you see it come up?
No. We made it. Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow. This is so cool. Did you see how big that thing was?
Yeah, it was really tall.
Ready? 1, 2, go. Oh, I hear something. I think it's gonna shoot, so I hope so. You know this.
I think I have 5 hours.
Here we go. I hear it's bubbling.
Oh my god.
Hey, better stop video.
We gotta do it again, All right, we're leaving the geyser. That was really cool. Now we're headed to Waterfalls Waterfall. It's only about, I think it's like a 10-minute drive from the geyser. They're both supposed to be like really popular attractions here in Iceland, so we'll see how that is. We just got to Waterfalls Falls, and there's somebody behind us over here. I don't know if you can see.
Committing crimes.
I got him. But basically, this lady was reversing and hit a bus. And we thought she was gonna pull off, so Alyssa over here started beep, 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 beep. The lady was stopped right behind.
Be accountable. Be accountable.
So now I'm scared to get out the car. No, just kidding. Oh, here she go. She really talking to them too. My God, today. What is this girl doing? What happened?
They're taking pictures, acting like something's happening.
I'll write a fake note. Like somebody's watching you, so I'm leaving this note.
Was he backing up?
It was loud.
No, he was
That's what
not
she
backing
said?
up. Yeah.
Girl,
Well, they're parked in the street anyways.
it's a bus,
Did he
babe.
damage the bus?
Yeah, we going to jail now. All right, we are walking up to Waterfalls. This one is the pizza The weather at this one is a lot rougher than the weather at the geyser. It's better be worth it. I think it will be though. After Waterfalls Falls, we went back to the Airbnb, picked up the rest of the crew, and headed on over to Sky Lagoon. We are in the locker rooms right now. I guess waiting to get a locker.
Take a shower without the clothes, without the swimming suits on. When you put your swimming suits on, then make sure to take all of your belongings from the cabins. Leave them here in these lockers. Lagoon is in this direction over there. If you wear any silver jewelry, I recommend you take it off, because silver can be damaged in the water. Everything else should be fine.
We made it, y'all. We are here at the Sky Lagoon. Wow, this looks amazing. Oh my god. Ah! Feels so good. Wow, this feels so good. Dave.
Having a great time, Jerry.
Okay. No hairdo. Shout out Mickey. Look, that guy looks like a big ass crazy shadow. This is so cool.
I just love the feel of the warm water and the cold air though.
Yeah, it feels like the perfect.
It feels weird.
It's like
so
eating
good.
ice cream on a hot day.
Yes, exactly.
Perfect. Thank you. You know that one video? I'm in Iceland. Where are you? America?
Right.
USA?
Eating McDonald's.
McDonald's? KFC? Chick-fil-A?
Yes.
Hi, y'all.
I live in Atlanta. I'm in Sandy Springs.
I love you. Oh my God.
Y'all in Sandy Springs too? Hey, neighbor. What's up, neighbor? How you doing? What's your name? How are you? I love that. I feel like Edna Mode.
I know, yes. That's exactly what I was thinking. Every time I do this in the pool, that's what I'm
Yes. We are heading to do this 7-step ritual at the Sky Lagoon here in Iceland.
Yes, we are. And
Dave, what
some
does
of
the
those
7 steps consist of?
So entail hot mineral bath, a cold plunge, a steam room, a sauna,
Yes.
a body scrub, and I'm not sure of the other two, but we're gonna find out. We'll check.
Did
We'll
you say
check back
Lagoon
later.
already?
Yeah.
Yes.
Mineral
Which is
bath.
where we are right
Mineral
now.
bath.
Oh, this is the mineral bath.
The mineral bath.
Okay.
In a
Okay. It feels like it. It's so warm in
Yeah.
here.
Feels
Looks
lagoonish.
so good. Oh, look at. Oh, that's the cold plunge right
Yeah.
there.
What are you doing?
Now I stopped in my tracks. Oh no. Did y'all do the cold plunge already?
Come on,
How
Jack.
was it?
It's great.
Cold.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
5 minutes.
5 minutes? That's a great
Ooh.
time. I could do like a
It
Mexican
looks
60.
full. I'ma wait. It looks too full right now.
Maybe it's gonna be a little warmer. You think about like
That's true. Yeah, that is true.
Oh, we
That's cute, actually. I like that.
From here, deep, and then
And get right out. Oh, say less.
but others going 3.
No need. All right, I guess we're doing the cold plunge first. I'm so scared. Oh my god. It's all right. We got this. Whew. All right. Okay, I'm plunged. I'll see you in the sauna. Oh wow, that was cold. How you feel?
Fine. It's cold.
You lying. You feel good?
I don't feel good. It's cold.
Me on the other hand. I'm already out. Look. Sauna time. That one is a little.
My legs ain't working the same.
So next is the sauna and its quiet zone. The phone and the camera is allowed on the left side.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Step 4 is the cold mist. David.
Mellow. Look at that dude.
Oh, wow. What Lady Gaga said? Rain on me. Alright, step 5. Skyscraper. Hi, how are you?
Next step. Thank you. Here we have the Sky Lagoon body scrub. Take one of these, apply it on your body, not on your face. Leave it on your body and go to the steam room. After that, you will go to take a shower and go to the next step.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. So we got, it's got what? Almond oil,
sesame oil,
and
salt.
sea salt.
Yeah.
Makes people taste better.
Alright, come, let's see. No. Alright, scrub done. After the body scrub, the next step is the steam room. Oh my god. Can't be anything. What's in this?
So it's cranberry juice with a Icelandic herbal tea and some lemon juice.
Oh, okay.
It's very healthy and
Yeah, it sounds good.
super tasty.
Okay, thank you. All right, y'all. Day 2 here in Iceland. It is snowing outside. We just got to Reykjavik, to the city, so we are gonna try this really famous bakery here. I think it's called what? Braun Co. Yes, so we are about to
Some tasty morsels.
into the snow and get some goodies. So we'll see y'all in a few.
Put your hair away.
The weather here is honestly super random. Like it's always cold, but it'll randomly just start like flurrying and snowing, and then the sun might come out. My friend who was here a couple days before I got here, she said that it actually hailed. So hope we don't have to experience that, but we'll see. Pretty sure I'm getting hailed on right now. Look who it is. I forgot to take a video, but not even exaggerating, it was probably the best cinnamon roll I've ever had. It was so good that we even went back on our last day. Guys, this is my first snowstorm.
This is a real snowstorm. Like you're driving
In the land of ice.
What mountain? Oh, unless you can actually see it?
Yeah. That's Everest. We just got the
End of the earth.
yeah, damn near. I don't even know the name of this one. I'm gonna have to. It's storming damn near all day. We just drove an hour and a half here from Reykjavik. It's beautiful though. There it is. We're about to walk over there. It is so windy. Pretty sure I'm getting killed on right now. Is that how we get out? God damn! We gotta go through there? I would rather go back around. Yeah. I don't wanna get that wet. That's a shower. This is probably like a 5-minute walk. It's 5 to 10 minute walk away from where we just were. I think it's Skegpass. I'm gonna get the names correct before I post this, don't worry. We made it to this cave, but they're saying we have to rock climb. I ain't bringing no rock climbing gear. I got my gloves on. Let's see. Oh wow!
Wants a slice of my pizza.
Which one did you get?
Number 3, I think it's like marinated duck with this has cashew.
Marinated duck thing.
What is this, tuna tartare pizza?
Yeah, sure. I'm down for spicy tuna.
Oh, tuna. And dang, I forgot what mine is, but it's good. It's also charcoal. All right, come with me to check out our Airbnb in Vik. I guess technically this isn't Vik. This is about 30-40 minutes outside of Vik. It's a little closer to the more popular attraction, like the Diamond Beach and the Kotla Ice Cave, I believe it's called. So we're here, it's cabin 9. This is my friend Ali. She's up shooting the drone right now. No neighbors. Complete open space. All right, let's go in. So this is Mickey. Hey. Here go Dave pouring up the Loki. Say me some. This is Jay. We've got Asia. We've got Kid. So this is the living room. Super spacious, open concept. It's got the kitchen here. Shout out to Jay and Asia, they made tacos. Room 1. Okay, we already stayed here for a night, so it is lived in right now. Down here there is a shower, and then there's also a sauna. Oh, it already was on, but got a sauna down here. Then to the right is the first washroom. Nice bathtub. On your left is the front. There's also a little balcony and stairs to downstairs. And when you turn to the right, first room on the left, we have 2 double beds. So for the kids, anybody. Directly across from that is the upstairs bathroom. There's also a little, sunlight in here, shower. Across from that is another bedroom. So this one has a king bed as well as a twin bed, or twin or double, I'm not sure. And then another, sunlight there. So, and then we have the last bedroom. And this is another king bed down here. Same with the bed downstairs, that is also a king. So you can fit a good amount of people up here. highly recommend if you plan on coming to Vic. Good morning. It's day 3. Day 3? Day 4. Day 3 for me, day 4 for them. We just arrived to Diamond Beach. It's about 2 hours away from Vic. Right across the street is the ice cave tour that we're about to do. But I hope we see some diamonds. Other than me, of course. Do you know that sound on TikTok where it's like, and it's like they're doing like a seance? I feel like that's what we're walking into.
Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche. Los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora la obra de la magia oculta.
This is so... They say normally you may not always find diamonds on Diamond Beach, but look at this. They're everywhere. We left Diamond Beach, which was across the street, and now we are at the Katla Ice Cave. We're doing it with this tour group. It's called, I Pick Ice Journeys, I believe. I'll confirm that. But yeah, this is the entrance, and look at all this ice here. It's absolutely beautiful. And I'm a Florida boy. I'm from Florida, so I'm not really with the cold. Like, I don't enjoy the cold, but the beauty here is a big exception. Alright, our group, we parked, and now we are hiking to the ice cave. But it's still pretty early, so should be the only ones there, but we'll see.
Those particles, and those bright one, the brown one is some clay, but this black is volcanic ash, because when this glacier was forming, there was some eruptions around, and ash from those eruptions settled on the surface of snow. So snow, layer of ash, another layer of snow, and when everything comes together, this ash gets stuck there. Okay, let's take some first photos here.
So cool. She's so nasty. Look at Vicky. Being a freak.
Ask for permission, you can't be doing
Oh, did you ask for consent? I feel like we're in one of them horror movies. And then God said, let there be light. Ali. That was amazing. We just left
inside of
the
it.
cave over there somewhere. All right, day 4. Just me and Dave. Everybody else is gone. We just pulled up to Waterfalls. It's like it's about a 30-minute hike. See y'all up there. It's over here at this national park. I'm not gonna even attempt to say that word, but I think you get the gist of it. We are here right now, and we're going to go to Waterfalls. been hiking for probably about 10-15 minutes now. I think we're almost to the top, or maybe not the top, but wherever the fall is though. I see some people up here. That could possibly be it. We made it. Look how beautiful this is. I don't know if you guys can see. I always do that, but hold on. Okay, here we go. Where is it? There it is. I'm gonna hike down there and try and get a closer look. Let's go. The closer I get, the more excited I'm getting. Everything here is just so beautiful. Like, it looks unreal. I was coming from up there, and then behind me. That's crazy. Oh wait. Oh, I think I can get closer. I'm gonna get closer. Uh-oh. I want to fly my drone, but I think I see a sign that says no drones. Fingers crossed. Unfortunately, no drones. Look at this. Wow. This is amazing. Alright y'all, we just pulled up to this restaurant called, how you think you say that, Dave? Striaskafi.
That sounds good.
Yeah, Sistrakafi. Something like that. It's in between like Vik and if you're going to the Katla Ice Cave. So let's see what they got. I got some creamy onion soup. We both got a little lager beers. I believe they were called boli, right? B-O-L-I. Came with some bread and we got some potato soup. Let's see how this is. It smells amazing. It does. Wow.
This is good.
Very, very good. Better version of French onion soup a little bit, yeah.
Icelandic version.
Well, I got the American burger, and Dave got the beetroot burger.
Beetroot. Quinoa.
That bun looks wild.
Yeah,
that looks like the black
activated
crust.
charcoal.
Yeah, it's got activated charcoal. Really good.
Mine's really good.
Damn, look at that. Wow.
Good and good for you. How about that?
What's up, y'all? So I'm here about to fly my drone. We found this really, really cool, it's like, I don't even know what to call it. It's like super, super mossy terrain. Yo, yo! There go Dave over there. So I'm gonna try and go over there and get hopefully a cool drone shot, but we will see. I've got to trudge through this snow. I'm just praying none of this is actually water and I fall in, because that would suck. It's really, really cold. I can maybe prop you up somewhere while I try to do this. Just trying to find where I'm gonna do it. I think a bear looks really cool. I'm gonna try that. I'm just hoping I'm not on some animal's home or anything, you know? I would feel really, really bad about that. But I think I'm good. All right, so tonight we got a hotel in Vic. It's the Hotel Vic y Midrial, I think is how you say. Y'all know I can't really pronounce these words, but I'm trying my best. We already kind of destroyed the room a little bit, but here is a little view. Here's the bathroom right here when you walk to the right. Then have some chairs, a little TV. We've got our 2 beds. This is the view for the standard room. I'm about to walk down for dinner, so I will show you guys the little banquet hall and everything. And down there is the restaurant. It's called Berg. We're about to eat there now. Hopefully it's good. One thing's for sure and 2 things for certain. I'ma find me an espresso martini. Okay. Cheers. We just got our food. I've got the lobster bisque, and he got the lamb shank. And then we got some bread with sriracha butter and regular butter. Magnifico. It was so good.
I'm gonna show you a few lava formations, starting with Pele's hair, stretches out. The beginning of lava eruptions are very good at producing them because then the lava jumps into the air. And with a lot of wind, billions of these hairs will be produced. Look at the upper part of the lava flow. There you can see the lava is not moving anymore. The outer layer is quickly solidifying, but that layer also protects the inner lava from the colder air above. Even though the top is not moving now, there's liquid lava flowing underneath, inside a lava tunnel, and at the bottom you see where it sparkles, that's still flowing out. The sparkle, by the way, is little iron and titanium inclusions. The lava is now classifying into a volcanic glass called techilite. Techilite has 40% silica. That's not much. Normal glass has about 70. And a material that lacks a certain amount of silica becomes brittle, fragile when it cools. And that's the case for our lava. The more it cools, the more it will break. The heat is trapped in such a way that the lava inside remains flexible for much longer than the lava on the outer layers. These open hollow pockets in natural lava flows can trap hot air and therefore keep the lava warm for many years after the eruptions have ended.
We just parked. We are heading to Black Sand Beach. I'm not exactly sure how to you see my hair. just arrived to Skogafoss. This is one of the more popular waterfalls here in Iceland. You can find it closer to Vik on the south end of the island. There's a rainbow literally right there. You know I gotta go walk in it. Go grab the energy out of there. I've been waiting for this part of the trip. After stopping to play with the beautiful horses, we hopped back in the car and made our 2.5-hour drive back to Reykjavik. We just got to our last Airbnb on our trip. This one here is literally in downtown Reykjavik, right across from the church. So here it is. When you walk in, the bathroom is right here. Newly renovated. The kitchen here to your right. To your left is the living room. A little dining area here. And on our left here is bedroom number 1. So it's technically 2 double beds that is pushed into, I guess, a queen or king size bed. Here is the second bedroom. Again, it's also 2 double beds that have been pushed together to make a queen or king size bed. And then this is also like a cot that'll pull out into a bed if you do need more room. And my favorite part is probably this view. So you've got the church right there, the rest of Reykjavik. After settling in, we went to dinner at the fish company.
Fresh baked bread with butter. Some man with a crazy laugh in the background. And I don't know what this is, but it has cranberries, raisins, and some kind of granola. So good.
Thank you.
I always like when they do that style, where they bring it out like
out
that
and pour it in.
Yeah.
That is fire.
Mamma mia.
Good morning. This is our second to last day here in Iceland. I don't even know what day number. Yeah, I'm gonna just say second to last. Okay.
That's accurate.
So now Dave and I were walking to this bakery. I believe the name is Daig. I'm not exactly sure how to say it. Common theme here.
I was gonna say that's the real
yeah. Some New Yorkers say it's just as good, if not better, than New York bagels. Okay. Don't come for me now. I got a everything bagel with chives, cream cheese, and jam. And Dave, what you got?
Madonna has eggs, tomatoes, cheese, and mayo.
It's fire. How is it? Delicious.
It's really fucking good.
It's so fire. Cream cheese with that jelly, like. Hair is looking a little cray-cray, but it's all right. We only got one more day left here. We are exploring downtown Reykjavik today. They have a very popular rainbow sidewalk over here, rainbow crosswalk. So look at the kitty. Hi. Hi, kitty. Hi. What's up, baby? How are you? Where'd you go?
Right behind you.
It's so cute. Ribbits. And there's, at the very end of it, you can kind of see the church up there. Now we are heading to this restaurant called Sea Baron. I'm pretty confident I said that one right. If I'm wrong, I'll give up. Shit. Okay. But it's right here, seafood restaurant. Apparently they have a really, really, really good lobster bisque. And we're about to find out. So let's see. Lobster. Wow, that soup was bomb. Okay, that shit was so bomb. Very satisfied. I just power walked from the parking lot to the beginning of the Blue Lagoon. Hi. How are you?
Looking for compliments.
That's too wet.
Thank you. This is how we exit. I don't want to get out. It's like a little longer. 5 more minutes. Okay, yeah, 5 more minutes. What's up, guys? I am back at the airport here in not sure if this is Reykjavik actually. I don't know the actual city, but it's been a week. And so I'm here back at the airport, about to hop on this flight. I have a flight right now back to Boston, and then I have a small layover there, then Boston back to Miami. This trip was really, really fun. I'm gonna try to edit some of these videos here while I wait. Yeah, I'm excited to see how it comes out.